For centuries, alchemists were driven by a powerful dream to transform common metals like lead into precious gold. This quest, fueled by a blend of philosophy, mysticism, and early scientific exploration, promised untold wealth and power. But the pursuit of alchemy was fraught with danger. Many alchemists faced persecution, accused of fraud or heresy. Some even met untimely ends due to the toxic substances they used in their experiments. The alchemist's dream was more than just material greed. It was rooted in a profound belief in the hidden potential of matter, a belief that within the mundane lay the seeds of the extraordinary. This pursuit, though often misguided, laid the groundwork for modern chemistry and our understanding of the elements. Their relentless experimentation, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a desire to unlock the secrets of the universe, left an undeniable mark on the history of science. At the heart of alchemy lay two primary goals: the creation of the philosopher's stone and the transmutation of metals. The philosopher's stone, a mythical substance, was believed to hold the key to immortality and the ability to transform base metals into gold. This elusive elixir, sought after by alchemists for centuries, captured the imagination and fueled countless experiments. The transmutation of metals, particularly turning lead into gold, was another central aim of alchemy. Alchemists believed that metals were not fundamentally different, but existed on a continuum of purity. They sought to discover the means to purify and perfect these metals, ultimately achieving the state of gold. This pursuit, though ultimately unsuccessful in its literal interpretation, led to important discoveries about the nature of matter and laid the foundation for the science of chemistry. The roots of alchemy can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where practical knowledge of metallurgy and the manipulation of materials flourished. From Egypt, alchemical ideas spread to Greece, where they intertwined with Greek philosophy and mysticism. The Greeks developed theories about the four elements: earth, air, fire, and water, which became central to alchemical thought for centuries. During the Islamic Golden Age, alchemy flourished in the Middle East. Arab and Persian alchemists made significant advances in experimental techniques and developed new apparatus, influencing the development of chemistry. From the Islamic world, alchemy spread to medieval Europe, where it reached the height of its popularity. European alchemists, inspired by the works of their predecessors, continued the search for the philosopher's stone and the transmutation of metals. Section 4. The dark side of alchemy. While alchemy contributed to the development of science, it also had a dark side. The pursuit of alchemical secrets was often shrouded in secrecy and driven by greed. Many alchemists were charlatans, promising riches but delivering only false hope. Others, though genuinely dedicated to their craft, faced persecution from religious authorities who viewed their work as heresy. The experimental nature of alchemy also posed significant dangers. Alchemists worked with toxic substances like mercury and arsenic, often without understanding the risks involved. Many suffered from health problems or even death due to exposure to these dangerous materials. The pursuit of alchemical knowledge, though driven by a thirst for understanding, came at a high cost for many practitioners. Section 5. The legacy of alchemy. Despite its failures and dangers, alchemy left an indelible mark on the history of science. The alchemists' meticulous observations, experiments, and documentation laid the groundwork for modern chemistry. Their pursuit of the philosopher's stone, though ultimately unsuccessful, led to the development of new laboratory techniques and the discovery of new substances. Alchemy also influenced the development of medicine. Alchemists believed that the human body, like metals, could be purified and perfected. This led to experimentation with herbal remedies and the development of new pharmaceutical preparations. The legacy of alchemy can also be seen in the field of nuclear physics. The alchemist's dream of transmutation, though achieved through different means, became a reality with the discovery of nuclear reactions and the ability to transform one element into another. The philosopher's stone, though never found in its literal form, continues to hold metaphorical significance. It represents the relentless pursuit of knowledge, the desire to unlock the secrets of the universe and the transformative power of human ingenuity. Though alchemy itself may be relegated to the annals of history, its legacy lives on in the spirit of scientific inquiry and the pursuit of the unknown.